This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to check your Interac e-transfer history in the CIBC mobile banking app. If you've ever wondered how to keep track of your e-transfers, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and make sure you can easily access your transaction history without any hassle. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sign in to your CIBC mobile banking app. Open the app on your smartphone and enter your login details. Make sure to keep your login information secure and private. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be greeted by the home screen, which is your starting point for navigating the app. From the home screen, you'll want to locate the Move Money option. This can be found in the Quick Actions or Navigation menu. The Move Money section is where you can handle various transactions, including e-transfers. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the Move Money section, look for the Interac e-transfer option and tap on it. This will take you to the specific area of the app that deals with Interac e-transfers. Here, you can send money, receive funds, and of course, check your transaction history. Now that you're in the Interac e-transfer section, it's time to find your history. Depending on the version of the app you're using, you might see an option labeled History or Status. Tap on it. This is your gateway to viewing all your past and current e-transfer activities. After tapping on History or Status, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of your e-transfers. This includes those you've sent, received, and any that are still pending. This section is incredibly useful for keeping track of your transactions, ensuring you have a record of all your financial activities. And that's how you check your Interac e-transfer history in the CIBC mobile banking app. It's a straightforward process that makes managing your e-transfers easy and accessible. By regularly checking your history, you can stay on top of your finances and ensure everything is running smoothly. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. We hope it's helped you gain confidence in managing your e-transfers. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.